My Nespresso U machine wasn't working. Turn it on and it just wouldn't pump any water out. Tried doing a little bit of research and found out that the pump is airlocked. We haven't used it for a long time, so there was just no water in the pump. Some of the things said to use a lever, but mine doesn't have that. So this is how I figured it out. Fill your reservoir up just with some water and put it back on, and you actually need to put your mouth inside that and blow as hard as you can and have it seal around your face, so you're actually making it pressurized to push the water through the pump. And now it works. So fill it up, a little bit of water, blow into it, have it seal around your face, and flip it and turn it on as you're blowing, and keep blowing as hard as you can until the water comes out.